Every mistake that I made was a times. Every hill I didn't die on is a mountain that I climbed. So what do you believe in? It's never easy to hold on when your faith is gone. But hard times believe it. What do you believe in? Oh, all I need in this world. All I need in this world. It gets harder, but I'm breathing. Do you believe it? Oh, I believe in love. I believe in love. I believe in love. So what do you believe in? Easy to hold on. Our faith is gone. Hard times they leave it. What do you believe in?
What it is, what's up, dog? All the haters out of line, get brushed off. Come raw, still shine when the sun's gone. Keep the vibe real strict like the gun laws. Unsolved, sweet like the line, get shrugged off. Immaculate times, I'm back in the law, professing from the back of my mind. Hit 'em up like Pac in his prime. I don't question what is fate and divine. I don't care what it costs me, it's fine. The universe is my pocket. Like good stocks, doing everything that said I could not. I'm automatic, you should know not to leave me free. I'm on the move, you can catch me on the DVP or going full speed through someone's garden. Going full speed through someone's garden. What you grown, cause I ain't stopping on sight. On sight, keep it up, I'll be here all night. On sight, keep it up, I'll be here all night.
I can put it down, but you can't pick it up. And since you lost the bet, then you should tell your best friend hit me up. I know y'all think it's these, but I can feel it from you. Girl, I think a just hit a flip and run ain't with it. If that's your ex, then you should probably go and get it. Simpsons fan, the game I gave was hit and run. How you tryna block my mama right as son? You must be up, you must be up, you must be up. Man, it's Cinnabon. It's my fault that I keep cracking up. Oh, that's your that you keep cracking up. I honestly feel like my waistline feel packed. Face look like you got triggered. I ain't mean to compare you like 47. Honestly, I'm saying you look good in a dress. I'm impressed. I'm a baby.
Someone's garden.